Hello everyone, this is Adam here at Adam Siren Adventures. One of the Siren enthusiasts. Just wanted to show you, this is where I live here. This is where I live. This is where I live here. This apartment called Steeplechase, and just want to let you guys show you first. This is it. Here's my this is my apartment that I live here. But I found a spot at Siren here that I wanted to let you guys to show you that I'm getting it next month. This is gonna be excited. There it is, right there. Viral Signal 2001 DC. Yep, this is the first time I live here. That there's a 2001 DC next to it. Over next to an apartment that I live. Isn't that cool? So next month I'm gonna try to get this 2001 DC Siren over next to the apartment that I'm living here. Here's the control boxes. I'm gonna take this picture. Alright. That's it. So I'll see you for the first Wednesday, and I'll try to see if I can get this 2001 DC over my new apartment. That's it. Bye, buddy.